Co-working President Jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka Deborah C.H. Marak kali itu mentakasni ka khat artrik unai wing arhajar arpusan kelayo ya kejing petha na kibor bahalor jangka All India Congress Committee ban pelong ya kejing soy kerteng habarok kawikeri India badwan persya ya kejing to vote habakran hakilat pathai kubor mentakasni ha Congress Bahawan Shillong kalong baha kani kejela Meghalaya kin pelong ya kani kejing soy kerteng nado na kani kenong ba Shillong syaki district bat syaduk ki blok haba phai ha kani kejela Meghalaya hado mentagasi ki bala soy ki lekot syaka shipo hajar ngot na kaliang ka parti ka ai kejing kuplaya baro kito ki bala daban soy hado mentakani ka peni bagi pai ba ki ai kejing kersan ya ka parti.
Now we got another direction from All India Congress Committee, and we are doing all over India. We are doing very massively. That is nation-wide both chore signature campaign. We are doing it in the state level. We are doing it in headquarters Shillong, and we have percolated down to the district level. We are doing it at district level, and also we have gone down to the block level, and everybody they are supporting, they are signing this Bochori Gadichor signature campaign. Till now, I think how many? 10,000 people they have already signed, they have supported. That's why today we would like to thank on behalf of the party those who really supported, signed against this Bochor and Gadichor.